What's going on, creative designers? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create mirror effect in Coreldraw. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell. So the purpose of this video actually is to show you how to create some sort of mirror effects, just as you can see on your screen. Something like this. I believe you have seen a design that has some sort of mirror reflection. We can use the word reflection in the background. So this is what we are going to try to create today. So let's go back to our Coreldraw, guys. So once you are on your Coreldraw, I'm going to just take this away from this. So this is our background. So the first thing you are going to do is to get your background like this. You just set the size, the page size. Go to your page dimension here and then change this to 1080 by 1080. Okay, pixel. All right, use pixel 1080 by 1080 as that's in pixel. So where can you choose your pixel? Over here. So this is where you can, if it was, let's say, inches, you change it from inches to pixel. This is your pixel. So you have something like this. So this is the kind of page you have, the size of the page you will have. So if you don't understand anything that we are saying here, if you don't understand anything here on your screen, I will ask that you go and watch the beginners class. So now come to this rectangle. This is your rectangle tools. You click here and then you draw a rectangle like this. All right, so you can equally change the size to 1080 by 1080 here. Okay, so that it will have the same size with the background, the normal page background. Okay, now press P on your keyboard to take it to the center and remove the, I don't know if you can see this. I think you can't see it because my image is here. Okay, so come down here. So this stroke, this is this red stroke that you can see right here. Just right click on it. All right, and then click on set outline color. So in order to remove the outline, so now let's just bring in this particular vehicle and drop it here. So once you have this vehicle right here, so the next thing we are going to do, let's take for example, this is the object we are using. Okay, so what you need to do is to duplicate this, into just duplicate this particular vehicle. And how do you do that? Either you use Ctrl C on your keyboard and then Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl C is to copy and then Ctrl V is to paste. But in order for you to see what we are doing and understand as well, you could just right click. Let's use the other process of right click. So right click on this particular vehicle, so you see copy. All right, then go back again and right click on it, so you see paste. All right, then you see paste. So right click on it, copy, click out, and then right click again, so you will see paste. Sorry, something is not working here, so I believe something is wrong, that's why it's not working. So this is it. So right click on it, click on copy, then you right click again somewhere else, then you click on paste. So now this vehicle as it is 2, so it's no longer 1. So if I move this first one, you can see that we have another one here. So just take it back the way it was. So like this, it's okay. So the next thing you are going to do, you have to come here. This is mirror vertically, so you click here. Just come to this is your standard bar. Click on, I told you in the beginners class that standard bar is used to control this object. Once you click on this particular object, your whatever that is on this particular standard bar is what you will use to control this particular object. So now when I click outside, you can see that you can't find that vertical mirror option. But when I click on this particular object, this particular vehicle, so you can see that we have this mirror vertical option. So you click on it, all right, to mirror it vertically. Then you bring it down, click and drag it down while holding down the shift key in order to align, and then just bring it down somewhere here. All right, so like this is fine. Okay, so you can see we have one here, we have the other one here. So now we are going to make use of our transparency tool. I told you transparency tool is meant to reveal an object. It's either to hide or reveal an object. So we are going to hide part of this particular one that beneath this particular one. So you click on it, and once you click and drag, we are going to have something like this. All right, so as you can see that we are trying to hide part of this particular vehicle, the down one. You can just play along with just click on this particular one and drag it. Either if you want to reveal it more, this reveal it more. So if you want to hide it, you just hide it. Okay, so in order to increase the opacity, so you use this to increase the opacity. So you can just drag it up a little bit, drag it up, or something like this is fine. Like that, it's okay. So I think this is perfect. So as you can see, if you look closely, you can see that we have some sort of reflection of this vehicle that we have here. So we have a reflection here. So you can maybe give this the color, the background color, and just go to this and change this to here. Come to this elliptical fountain tools, and then drag this to the middle. Drag this. I'm just trying to give a background. You can do your background whichever way you want to do it. Change the background the way that we thought with whatever design you're making. So at the end of the day, this is the final result, guys. So tell me what you think under the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.